In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Gemini in phone. By the end, you'll have the Gemini app set up on your Android device and ready to answer your questions. First, make sure you're ready to use your Gemini account. Gemini works with your Google account, so if you're already signed in on your phone, you're good to go. If you use more than one Google account, decide which one you'd like to link to Gemini. That way, your chats and settings stay organized under the right profile. Now, open the Google Play Store on your phone. A stable internet connection helps the download go smoothly, and having a little free storage space available will speed things up. In the search bar at the top, type Gemini. Look for the official listing from Google. You should see Google as the developer on the app page. This is important to make sure you're installing the genuine app and not a lookalike. Tap Install. The download time will vary based on your connection, so just let it complete. If you prefer to save mobile data, connect to Wi-Fi before you start. Once the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app. When Gemini opens, log in using your preferred sign-in details. If your phone already has your Google account added, Gemini may pick it up automatically, or it may show you a list of accounts to choose from. Select the one you want to use. If you're asked to sign in, do so securely and avoid sharing any sensitive information out loud or on screen. After that, follow any quick setup prompts. The app may ask for permissions like microphone access for voice input or notifications to keep you updated. Grant only what you're comfortable with. You can always adjust these in your phone settings later. You're now ready to use the app and ask some questions. Tap the message box at the bottom to type your query, or use the microphone button if you prefer speaking. Start simple. Ask about the weather, get a summary of a topic you're curious about, or request help. Drafting a message. If you need more precise results, add a little context, like a time frame or goal. You can review previous chats in the app and continue where you left off anytime. If you don't see the Gemini app in the Play Store, it may not be available for your region or device yet. Make sure your Play Store is updated and that you're searching for the exact name. Otherwise, you're all set. Enjoy exploring Gemini and have fun asking your first questions.